let's say if we add 1 plus a negative 3, or we say, as you would say, 1 minus 3. Now, just as before, you start at 0, we go 1 over to 1, but then we have to go backwards to 3. Or we go back 3 times, meaning the negative sign denotes movement to the left. Meaning here we start with 1, a positive 1. So we move right from 0 to our first marking. And then we move left from where we are now at 1, 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. And here we end up at negative 2. So we started at 0 and went right 1 time. Then we went left 3 times from 1. One minus 1 equals 1 plus a negative 1. And also, numbers that add together to equal 0 are called additive inverses of each other, also called opposites. So numbers are opposite when you take, if the addition of those numbers equals 0. Therefore, any number plus its additive inverse equals 0. So if we have any number a, we would say that negative a is the additive inverse of a. And likewise for negative a is the additive inverse of negative a, just as negative a is the additive inverse of a. So basically we say for any number called a, which could be any number on the number line, its additive inverse is its negative, its corresponding number on the negative side on the number line. Negative 2 plus negative 8. Now when adding two numbers with the same signs, you can simply treat them as you would as any regular looking numbers, as any natural numbers. These are called natural numbers. These are called integers or signed numbers, as opposed to natural numbers. See, natural numbers, you don't really deal with signs. You know, you're just adding them together, which we use an addition symbol. Basic arithmetic here, using integers, we're talking algebra using the number line, in which we have the concept of signed numbers. On the left side of the number line, we deal with signed numbers. So these signed numbers here are integers. It's the concept of the number line, which is, you have to remember, is a concept of a science called algebra. So, and this is why some people, I find, some older people find it confusing when dealing with the addition of negative numbers, but you simply treat them